Hello folks, today we're going to talk about how to start in Web3 sales and BD. If you're a new one in the space, you're new to sales, you're new to BD, you are hungry, you're curious, you're passionate, young individual, and you want to go and make some money, then Web3 sales and Web3 BD is going to be the place for you. Now, I want to show you five things that, and five mistakes actually, that I did that I don't want you to do because that's just going to save you some time. And it's the things that I did that a lot of people that I'm coaching right now, this is what they're asking me for. That's why I decided to share it with the open and broader public. So if you're looking to start in Web3 right now, and you're wondering, should I start right now? Is it a good time? Is it the bear market? Is it the bull market? It really doesn't matter. When I joined, Luna crash happened, and then FTX happened, and then there was like 2023 was just whole bear market, and this year people said it was kind of sideways. We went up, we went down. Nobody knows what's going to happen in 25, and no one will ever know. You need to understand that there is no perfect time to start, and the best time to start was yesterday. The same thing. It's like the best time to buy real estate was yesterday. Like like in those memes, like when you have been in 2002 just chilling as a baby, but you should have been buying real estate. The same logic applies here. You should have joined crypto in 2017, and in 2017 you should have joined crypto in 2013. There is no perfect time, so don't think that you will find the perfect moment to go and join. Second, why do you need to start in Web3? That's a really important question that you need to ask yourself. Why do you really want to go in Web3? And try to be honest with yourself, which is going to be probably the hardest thing that you can do, because modern society, they don't teach people to be honest with themselves. You don't understand what are your beliefs, why are you actually joining here, and if the first prepare that the first couple of answers that you're going to give to yourself are not going to be true. The reason why I joined Web3 is because you can make a lot of money here, and then second one is that you can grow here faster than in any other industry. So let's say if I joined the same similar position in Web2, it would take me just longer to grow to the same level where I am right now. And every day that I'm doing at my job in Web3, I think it counts like 3 days in Web2. This was my bet. This was like the main thing why I wanted to go into Web3, because I wanted to grow and learn fast. If the same thing for you, perfect. It can be that you want to change the world, you want to decentralize it, all these things. It's okay. A lot of these things can be a buzzword. If you really believe in that, if you feel that in your body, then this is the thing that you need to do. But really think, why do you really want to go and join Web3? Because that's going to be important. Next one, when looking for the first job, you need to be focusing first on doing and then asking. Like a very big mistake, I see a lot of young guys, they think that, okay, I'm gonna go to the business owner and I'm gonna ask him to give me a job and then promise that I'm gonna perform. That doesn't work that way. Web3 people, they don't have time. It's a very fast industry. You need to first go and do the thing. Let's say you want to be a BD manager at a certain company. Go and pretend that you're the BD manager. Work for them for 1-2 weeks. Get some results, get some partners, get something going on, create some documents, analyze the market, do the competitor analysis, do whatever, just do something. And then once you have done that, you can go to the business owner and say, hey, my friend, this is the thing that I did for you for free. I really like your business. This is why I believe in you. This is why I like the mission, the thing that you're doing. And this is what I did. This is results that I got. And I really, really want to join your company. Give me a shot. I want to be your full-time, part-time, whatever employee. Just give me a shot and I will be performing. With that kind of approach, you will have ability to get way more chance to get the position, simply because you're not coming like zero, like everybody's coming on the market and they just go and they asking for jobs on the market. It's a pathetic thing. Don't be like that. Come from a position of force where you have something, where you have a proof that you are a solid performer, that you can do something for the business, that you believe in them, that you have vision, that you're passionate, that you're communicative, that you're the guy. They need to understand that there is people like on the market and the guy, and you need to be the guy or the girl, doesn't matter. They need to understand that you are different from everybody else, and this will long term will give you a better shot at acquiring positions that you really need. Because I don't guarantee that you're going to get the first position that you're going to do this. Yes, you will waste time with some people. Yes, but that's going to be the learning curve for you. Once you land the right position, that's just going to be so much easier for you. I can just tell you 100%. Next one, you need to work for experience in the beginning. It's okay. Don't expect to get millions of dollars in revenue or in salary or whatever, because you're simply no one. Like if you're starting, you're really no one. Nobody really knows about you. Now it's on your side to go and prove people that you are really worth what you are worth. So in the beginning, if you don't know anything, you're not worth much. Your knowledge, your time is not worth much. So go and try to make the cost of your hour higher. And the only way to make the cost of your hour higher is if you improve your performance. And the only way how you can improve your performance, if you have more experience, if you have tried the thing, you have done it before, like if you're naturally talented and you put the good amount of dedication to it, that's going to be rising your cost per hour. So that's the most important thing. Just in the beginning, don't focus on making a lot of money, focus on making a lot of experience, and money will follow. Because if you focus only on money, in the beginning they will be mediocre, and if you don't think about experience and your experience is mediocre, guess what's going to happen? Your money will always stay mediocre. And the fifth and the last, move the ranks fast and start building a list of friends. In the beginning, it's if you land in a good company that helps you and gives you a lot of growth opportunities, that's perfect. Stay in that company. If you don't do that, it's perfectly fine in the beginning to hop jobs. Like as soon as you reach a new level that your company cannot accommodate, because in the beginning, like realistically speaking, in Web3, you're going to be joining shit companies. There's going to be some super small companies, some small agencies, small, I don't know, B2C applications that no one really needs. But that's an experiment. That's a thing for you to try, because the business owners that do those companies, they also try. They try to build a startup. They try something in their life. So you're going to go and help, and try become a BD, become a salesperson. So once you have achieved a certain level that you are growing too fast and the company cannot compete with you, just go and you move to another company, and then to another company, and then to another company, because at the end of the day, you are acquiring new skills, and if the company does not appreciate that, you should go and move forward. You should do things that are interesting for you. So be the focus of yourself, and then another one, start building a list of friends. In the beginning, especially in the beginning, you need a list of friends. I wanted to say community, but community is a bad word. Like community is a different thing. Focus on a list of friends. If you go to a side event, go collect them, get the connection, stay in touch, like just do whatever you need, because all opportunities walk on two legs, and you need to make sure that the next opportunity will come to you from a friend. It's way easier to grow in Web3 and start in Web3 that way. So I hope that these things were really helpful for you guys. If you're interested, go check out other videos on the channel. There's a ton of them, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, give thumbs up, and there's a link in the description to join the community. If you're interested to work with people that just started, or people that are already in their mid or late careers, there's a lot of people like them there. So just go and do the thing, you know the thing.